I'm not picky. My palate is refined. Too dry. Too cold. Too old. Ugh. What's this? The Sphinx cat feeder. Wet food when I expect it. Warmed how I want it. In exactly the right amount. What's on the menu? Anything I desire. Kept fresh just for me. Gourmet recipes to fresh, raw, or your favourite warmed pâté. Controlled from that little paw pad of hers. Truly, I'm in control. Our kind always have been. She can finally fulfill my 5 a.m. cravings. Abandoned once more. Left to fend for myself. But at least my meals still arrive like clockwork. Proper feeding is crucial after all. I'll be the first to admit I'm a bit indulgent, so I do appreciate the portion control. Not too hot, not too cold, blood temperature just right. Finally, someone who gets me. Cleaning? Easy. Leave that to the dog. After a hard day's work, I deserve a nap. Perfection? I'd say so. Sphinx. Perfect cat care for imperfect humans.